In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add glow effect in Photopea. This quick method gives your image a soft, luminous look that feels polished and professional, and it only takes a minute once you know where everything is. First, open your web browser and head to the Photopea website. Photopea runs right in the browser, so there's nothing to install. When the page loads, choose Open from Computer. This lets you bring in a photo from your device, whether it's a portrait, a product shot, or a landscape. Select the image you want to enhance, and it will appear on the canvas with a background layer in the Layers panel. Next, in the Layers panel, right-click the background layer. Choose Duplicate Layer. This is a best practice because you will apply the effect to the copy, keeping the original intact. Working non-destructively makes it easy to compare results or adjust later without starting over. With the duplicate layer selected, go to the top menu and click Filter. Hover over Blur, then choose Gaussian Blur. Gaussian Blur is perfect for creating that dreamy glow because it softens edges in a smooth, controlled way. A dialog box will appear with a radius slider. Drag the slider to set your preferred radius. As you increase the radius, you'll see the image become hazier on the preview. The right amount depends on your photo's resolution and the look you want. A subtle radius maintains detail while adding a soft haze. A higher radius gives a dramatic bloom. Aim for a blur that softens highlights without turning the entire image into fog. When it looks good, click OK to confirm. Now let's turn that blur into a glow. In the Layers panel above the layers, find the drop-down that currently says Normal. This is the Blend Mode menu. Click it and choose Overlay. Overlay blends the blurred layer with the original in a way that brightens highlights and deepens shadows, creating a radiant, punchy glow without destroying contrast. You'll notice edges and bright areas take on a soft, luminous halo, while the underlying detail from the original layer keeps things crisp. That's the entire glow effect, done in a clean and flexible way. Duplicating first, blurring the copy, and switching the blend mode gives you a classic, cinematic glow that works across many types of images. If you preview your result and it feels just right, glowy but not washed out, you've nailed it. Save your project when you're happy and you're ready to share a beautifully enhanced image created entirely in the browser.